For more video content, don't forget to subscribe our channel Video City.
Cataphrocus is a type of armadillo lizard. When in danger, these lizards curl up, put their tails in their jaws, and turn into a very strong armor-like ball with spiny osteodermate scales covering their bodies and deterring any predators. Alligator Mississippiensis albino. White alligators are simply a color variation of the American alligator, also known to scientists as Alligator Mississippiensis. White alligators may be albino with pink eyes, or they may be leucistic with bluish eyes. Can you believe that this species was first discovered in 2010? How many other species of animals are out there that we know nothing about? Mount Hanang chameleon. Living at altitudes of almost 3,300 meters, they have a really thick skin which protects them from extreme UV radiation. 5. Corn snake. A North American species of rat snakes, the corn snake kills its prey by constriction. To humans, they are harmless and quite beneficial, even. They help control the population of wild rodents that can damage crops and spread diseases. 6. Grand Canary blue-tailed skink. A truly majestic creature, this species of skink is endemic to Gran Canaria and lives mostly in temperate forests, shrubland and grassland, with rocky areas and sandy shores. The adult skink can reach 16 to 18 centimeters and the tail is a whopping 50% of its body. They are quite solitary beings with only one mating partner during one season. 7. Siamese Peninsula Pit Viper. Trimeresurus, also known as the pit viper, can reach lengths of 242 centimeters, and his venom can be medically significant to humans. 8. Satanic leaf-tailed gecko. Endemic to Madagascar, this species relies entirely on its natural camouflage to survive. 9. Purple harlequin toad. Beautiful and almost extinct. Jackson's chameleon. Beautiful creature. Much like a fairy tale dragon. He fights with other male chameleons using his horns and tries to impress the ladies with its beauty. Western blue-tongued skink. Capable of growing to about 45 centimeters in length, this skink native to Australia usually opens its mouth and sticks its tongue out when in distress. Blue-white-lipped island pit viper. It looks beautifully ferocious, right? It is so. A really aggressive predator, this viper mostly prefers fighting to running away. That's why you'd better avoid it yourself if met with it on the streets of Bali. Dying poison frog. The highly toxic poison that these frogs have in their bodies can cause pain, cramping or stiffness. Whenever a predator eats one of these poisonous frogs, he will rapidly learn to associate the bright color of its prey with the atrocious pain that occurs after the meal. Golden poison frog. This golden frog has a skin coated with an alkaloid toxin which can stop the victim's nerves from transmitting impulses, resulting in heart failure or fibrillation. This toxin can be stored in the frog years after their death. This species of frog uses its poison only as a defending mechanism and not for killing its prey. The amount of poison one frog can carry is estimated to about 1 milligram, enough to kill about 10,000 mice. It is a very lethal and rare kind of poison. 15. Anthony's poison arrow frog. This poison frog is endemic to Ecuador and Peru. Northern green tree python. This python can reach 2 meters in length and can weigh up to 1.6 kilograms. It lives in the trees and feeds on small reptiles and mammals. Giant monkey frog. This species' skin secretes a kind of poison which is used in cleansing rituals and can induce intense vomiting. Atheris hispida. This is a venomous viper species endemic to Central Africa. Its keeled dorsal scales make it look extremely ferocious. There is very few information available regarding its venom. It carries neurotoxins and cytotoxins. A bite can be fatal to humans who cannot get proper first aid or anti-venom treatment. Splashback poison frog. Strawberry poison frog. This small poison dart frog can mostly be found in Central America.
Thanks for watching Video City. Please subscribe us and share your thoughts and comments. Have a good day.